Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that promises to revolutionize your meal prep routine, the Ibergrif Veggie Chopper, a versatile 7-blade vegetable slicer. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Ibergrif Veggie Chopper is designed to simplify your cooking experience by offering a range of cutting options all in one tool. This 7-in-1 manual vegetable chopper allows you to slice, dice, shred, and mash a variety of vegetables and fruits, making it an essential item for home cooks and families who value efficiency in the kitchen. One of the standout features of this chopper is its construction. Made from food-grade PP material and featuring sharp 420J2 stainless steel blades, you can trust that it's safe for food contact and durable enough to handle daily use. Not only is it BPA-free, but it also comes with a generous 1.3-liter container to catch all your chopped ingredients. Plus, it includes a freshness lid, a safety pusher to protect your fingers, a draining basket, a presser lid, 7 interchangeable blades for different slicing needs, and even a cleaning brush. This product is perfect for anyone who frequently prepares meals at home, whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or just someone who enjoys cooking. The ergonomic design allows you to chop ingredients quickly and with minimal effort, making it ideal for those hectic weeknight dinners or for prepping healthy lunches. Imagine whipping up a fresh salad in just minutes. You can easily slice cucumbers for a refreshing side dish, dice onions without the tears, or shred carrots for a delicious slaw. The draining basket is a fantastic addition, allowing you to filter excess water from rinsed vegetables before you store them in the container. This chopper not only saves you time but also keeps your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Another practical feature is its dishwasher-safe design. The Ibergrif Veggie Chopper can be easily cleaned on the top rack of your dishwasher, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. It's a great choice for those who want a reliable kitchen tool that doesn't require a lot of maintenance. Lastly, if you're looking for a thoughtful gift, this veggie chopper is perfect for housewarmings, Mother's Day, or even Christmas. It combines practicality with a sleek design that any cooking enthusiast would appreciate. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.